In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add competitors on Hootsuite. This updated 2025 tutorial is perfect if you're looking to streamline your social media monitoring efforts. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open Hootsuite. You can do this by navigating to the Hootsuite website on your browser or by opening the Hootsuite app on your device. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your Hootsuite account. This will bring you to your dashboard where you'll have access to all the Hootsuite tools and features. Next, you'll want to head over to the Streams section. In your dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click on Streams. Streams are a crucial part of Hootsuite because they enable you to monitor posts, mentions, hashtags, and even keywords for any of your connected social media accounts. This is where you'll start your competitor monitoring action plan. Now let's talk about adding a stream specifically for your competitors. To do that, click on Add Stream. You'll need to choose which social network you want to keep tabs on, whether it's Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn. Once you've picked your network, decide if you want to keep track of searches, mentions, or keywords depending on the specific type of interaction you're interested in observing. Once that's done, it's time to set up competitor monitoring. If you're focusing on Twitter, select Search and enter the competitor's username, brand name, or even relevant hashtags. This stream will populate with all tweets that mention your competitor, giving you a comprehensive view of their activity on Twitter. For Instagram, you can use hashtag or mention streams to spot posts tagged with your competitor's brand. And for Facebook and LinkedIn, keyword streams allow you to track public posts that mention your competitors' names. Organizing your streams is a step that shouldn't be overlooked. For better organization and to enhance workflow, group all your competitor streams into a tab aptly named Competitors. This will make it easier for you to monitor everything in one organized place. Plus, if you have several competitors or want to keep an eye on various industries, feel free to create multiple tabs for each category. Lastly, you'll want to analyze the activity of your competitors using Hootsuite Analytics. This feature allows you to track key data points such as engagement rates, posting frequency, and emerging trends. By comparing their performance with your own social media accounts, you can gain valuable insights that could help refine and improve your strategy. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add competitors on Hootsuite. Monitoring competitors can provide you with a wealth of information and powerful insights to stay competitive in your industry. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and as always, feel free to revisit the video if you need a refresher. But thank you for watching.